What's up, traders? Another quick scalp trade, long AMD real fast because it's a U-shaped, V-shaped pattern under the 9 EMA. Should have a little room to spike up. Just took a small position real fast. Just to be certain, you guys gonna lock in a little profits. Just scalping today, you guys. Don't want to give back everything I made yesterday. I had a big profit yesterday on the video. Now just scalping today. Basically fucking around and just chilling. Gotta fix that. Yesterday somebody commented on my thing. I gotta change that battery. I don't know where the battery is to change it, but I'm gonna figure it out. We'll see right now, you guys, if this thing actually holds 1960. See, there's buyers right here, but there's a lot of sellers right here. And give it a second to test. This thing's having a hard time, you guys, trying to crack this. A lot of shorts see this little trend line. They're shorting off this little hidden channel. If you can see this little hidden channel right here, they're shorting off that trend line. But if it cracks this trend line, the buyers might come in right now. So we're going to check it out for a second. So let's see if it cracks. It might fail, though. See all the sellers coming in? Look at all these sellers coming in on that trend line, you guys. We're going to take 100 shares off just in case it fails, you guys. Just to be safe. Got some buyers stepping up. Excuse me. See that trend line, you guys? Still acting as resistance. Let's see if it cracks. See all the sellers coming in on that trend line. You guys probably can't see the times and sales right here because the screen's blocked, but let me push it right here. $19.60 failing again, you guys. We're gonna flatten it out. You guys take the $50 real fast. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, and good luck trading, everybody.